Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sinh2x squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have u sinh(x) cosh dx. This one, that is about sinh2x. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. So the integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we can do similar in here, but this one, that is about cosh squared. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.